So I've got my Mora black and green carbon that I got from the Blade Show, and we're just fixing it up. We're making it our own, and eventually I want to make this someone else's own. But for now, follow along as we do our little mods. You see we did our little mod to the plastic case. We have a ferro rod that can come in and out, supposedly. But it's got a fathom cord here and here. So it's a good survival knife. Good starter knife, as I like to call it. See? That comes out. Can't go back in. The string may come off, and that's okay. It's meant to. It just kind of keeps it there. But it's got a good snug fit in it. Back to the knife. Simple Mora black and green. It's a cheap model. The Garberg is the full tang version of this, a little heavier. I don't have it within arm's reach here, but that's the big brother to this knife. It's actually this knife, so you can see how much of a big brother that really is. Not that much bigger, but like I said, it's full tang, so it means the blade handle goes all the way through to the very back. It's got a lot heavier spine, a little bit longer in the blade, but it's the same shape, same handle basically. But yeah, I use that for all my bushcraft, and I'm not sure what my phone is doing here, but just wanted to tune this blade up a little bit. I did strike the ferro rod with it the other day. It does not have a 90-degree spine, so it's very difficult to get good spark. That's not bad off of it. Hate having to do the blade, the cutting edge on there, because it just tears your blade up. I've seen people do it, but this has a good 90-degree spine. That'll spark it up. So I did spark the ferro rod with the blade in a demonstration, but we're cleaning that up. Got the Smith stone here, diamond stone here. It's got a Scandi blade, Scandi grind, so you have that nice long full. So you just kind of match it up there and just run it through there. Not the 90 or the 25-degree convex. No, this is a full Scandi. So just kind of match that blade right there. Tune it up. When we get done, we'll strop it. Put a little polishing compound right there. But hit that a couple good 100 times. That'll be razor sharp again. Yeah, that's my quick video for that. So stay tuned. See what we do with that.